In this video, we are going to learn about what is a leap year, how do we come to know whether an year is a leap year or not, and what is the reason behind establishing a terminology of leap year. What is a leap year? A normal year is of 365 days, but an year that consists of 366 days is called as a leap year. In the leap year, the month of February is of 29 days rather than 28. How do we come to know whether an year is a leap year or not? Generally, it is stated that every fourth calendar year is a leap year. It is true, but not for a long period of time. For explanation, let me ask a question. Was the year 1998 a leap year or not? Or will the year 2021 be a leap year or not? For the answer, we have to consult with the calendar, but how do the calendar makers decide about it? The answer is simple mathematics. This is the procedure. To find whether an year is a leap year or not, we divide the year number by the numbers 4, 100 and 400. We have to check if a number is exactly divisible by all the three numbers, then that year is a leap year. If an year number is divisible by 4 and 100 but not with 400, then that year is not a leap year. If an year number is divisible by 4 only, then that year is also a leap year. If an year number is not divisible by any of the numbers 4, 100 and 400, then that year is not a leap year. So we can conclude that every fourth year for 99 consecutive years is a leap year, but the 100th year is not a leap year. And every 100th year is not a leap year for 3 consecutive centuries, but 400th year is again a leap year. Let me explain with some examples. The year 1998 was not a leap year as none of the 400 and 400 can exactly divide 1998. The year 2020 is a leap year as the number 2020 is divisible by 4 and it is not divisible by 100 and 400. The year 2100 will not be a leap year. The number 2100 is divisible by both the 4 and the 100, but we cannot divide it with 400, leaving no remainder. The year 2000 was a leap year as the number 2000 is divisible by all the three numbers 400 and 400. What is the reason of establishing such a kind of terminology? The reason is the Earth rotates about 365.242375 times an year. It means an year is equal to 365.242375 days actually, but we round it off to 365 days. So something has to be done to catch up the extra 0.242375 days an year. So every fourth year we add an extra day, 29th of February, and this makes that year a leap year. But by adding one day in 4 years, we add 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25 day in each year. And an average year becomes equal to 365.25 days, which is closer to 365.242375. But when we do that, an extra day is added in every 100 years. So to balance the effect, we have to subtract a day from 100 years, and hence we do not add an extra day in 100th year. If we subtract a day from 100 years, it means we subtract 1 by 100, that is equal to 0.01 days from an year. And this way, the average year of 365.25 days becomes equal to 365.24 days, which is closer to 365.242375. To get more accurate number, we add an extra day again in every 400th year to make that year a leap year. Adding a day in 400 years means we add 1 by 400, that is equal to 0.0025 days in any year. And this way the average year of 365.24 days becomes equal to 365.2425 days, which is more closer to the actual average year of 365.242375 days. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Stay happy. Goodbye.